Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a tomato focaccia. The dough recipe you're going to find up above. It's my basic pizza dough. Once you pull the dough out of the fridge, you're going to let it sit for about an hour. Then you're going to take a 16 by 10 inch pan. You're going to drizzle about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, put the dough in there, and gently try to stretch it out with your fingertips, creating little dimples. And you're going to let this sit for another hour. Here I'm using tomatoes, a little bit of basil, and some garlic. And I'm going to season that with some salt, pepper, and oregano, and a good drizzling of olive oil. You can make this a simple focaccia. You could top it with some olive oil and a sprinkling of salt. I've done that. It's great. You could put whatever you want on top, whatever toppings you like. So once your dough has sat for about an hour, you're going to go ahead and dimple it again, stretching it out as far as it goes. Doesn't have to reach right to the corners, but let it go as far as it can. You're going to place your toppings over top. You're going to let that sit for about 45 minutes. And in the meantime, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So before I place this in the oven, I like to drizzle it with a little more olive oil and a sprinkling of flaky salt. You're going to bake this for about 45 minutes, all depending on how golden you want it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you back for more. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.